Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen and my channel focuses on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and luxury. And if you like any of those things, please subscribe to my channel. I upload twice a week, Tuesdays and Thursdays, and sometimes I will put out a bonus video. Make sure you hit that notification bell so the next time that I upload a new video, you will be notified. So I wanted to share with you an unboxing. If you like unboxings, then just keep watching because I have a mini unboxing to share with you today. I feel like I'm crying. I don't know why. Outfit of the day is this mint green baby doll. It is from The Drop by HIGHLOWLUXXE. Let's get into this video. Yep, here is the box. Wow. Let me put it on something before I can unbox it. I'm tired. I am tired now. Okay, so let's get to unboxing. I got my knife. I don't have the trusty dusty box cutter today. Doing knifey things with this unboxing. All right. Almost cut myself. Hold on. Oh, they got it tight. Oh, okay. Okay. So, oh, wow. Oh my God, I'm gonna try right there. There we go. That is the bag that came in my box. Yes. Yes, it says Fendi Aroma. All right. So that is the bag. Here is all of the tissue paper, the bubble paper of this box. Inside of this box, woo, is another box. That's why they call them unboxings. So here is my Fendi box. Let's see what's in it. Any guesses? Just think about the size of the box that it came in and then at this size. Comment below if you know. Down below, get to typing. Oh, before you type, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I am on a journey to 1,000 subscribers. So help me out and subscribe to my channel. I have lots of unboxings and lots of hauls coming your way. This box. Okay. More tissue paper and more tissue paper. So it does have Fendi embossed in it. Woo, and here is the Fendi little sticker. Fendi little sticker right there. And it's sliding. It's sliding. And then we get to the bag. We get to the good stuff. Here is the bag. Yes. I got paper and everything all around me. You have the Fendi dust bag, and this dust bag has like this is like a cowhide, like a leather little drawstring, and I'm like, oh, okay, Fendi, I see you with the leather drawstring, right? Okay, and then nice size dust bag. Inside. I'm trying to get it out. Yes. Inside is my medium sunshine shopper tote in this beautiful, gorgeous cognac caramel color. Yes, I love it. I love it. The words Fendi is bold. It's bold. In your face. It's medium size. It's not too large. It's large enough. You can put a lot of things inside it. But it's not too large that, you know, it needs its own seat when you go to dinner. You know, like sometimes your purse is so big it needs its own seat. Let's just look at it. Oh, it's, yes. Okay. Feels good. Yes, it does. All right. We have the tortoiseshell handles. We have the gold detailing right here, that has the Fendi logo. Oh my goodness, look at that stitching in the back and of course in the front. Oh, okay, I'm sorry. Make sure, when you get these items, if you don't go in store and you receive them in the mail, make sure you double check your item. Yes, you gotta double check it, make sure it's in perfect condition. So as you can see, this shopper tote does not have feet. Unfortunately, it would be nice, but I do not put my bag on the ground. I don't think so. Comment below, do you put your handbag on the ground? Like when you're out to dinner or wherever, do you put your handbag on the ground? Yikes. Inside, it has the strap. The strap is the beautiful cognac or caramel color. It has Fendi stamped all over the little, what is this called? This little, whatever it's called. I can't think of it right now, but it has Fendi stamped on it. Is it a lock? I don't know. I can't think. Okay. Then we got more tissue paper, more tissue paper, more tissue paper, more tissue paper. What is this? Is this the damage? Probably. Inside, very roomy. It has the Fendi tag inside, deep to your, right there. Right there. You see it? Right there. And then at the bottom it says, and then at the body, I'm sorry. And then at the bottom it says Fendi made in Italy. So you do have the hooks on each side, and that allows for you to connect the strap. Now, am I gonna wear this strap? Probably not. I feel like, hold on, let me connect it. It requires concentration, and I'm still not connecting it. Come on, honey. Okay, I got it. Okay, so am I gonna wear this strap? I do not think so. Like that, let me see, let me step back. I could. I need to get on top of something for you can see. I could wear it just with the strap. Not a problem. The length is good. Okay, I can't get them off. I need my knife back. This is how I would wear it. I would wear it like this. I got it. Tortoiseshell handles. Love it. Yes, this is my sunshine shopper tote with the beautiful tortoiseshell handles. I love it. Now, this shopper tote does come in another size, a very smaller size, but it's still cute too, just in case you are looking for something smaller for almost about half of the price of this one. Also, it comes in a variety of colors. You can pick it up in a cream. Then you can also pick it up with a python print where the Fendi name is in python. There's a variety of selections available for you with this Fendi sunshine shopper tote. But I love this color. I love me some caramel or some cognac. And this is a beautiful bag. I am not for sure if I'm going to insert a organizer. I don't know if I'm going to put one in there Maybe because, you know, it's just a free-for-all. There's no zipper on the side or anything. It's just, that's what you see right there. That's it. Okay, and then another thing, just in case you're interested, Fashionphile is a pre-loved website. You can go on Fashionphile and pick this up. Pre-loved, maybe save some coins, maybe, just depending. This is kind of popular, so Fashionphile might up the price a little bit, but if not, you can always purchase this at Saks. That's where I purchased this one from. Neiman Marcus or Nordstrom's. Oh Lord, no, I didn't purchase it. I don't know where I purchased this from. There's a variety of places that you can purchase this sunshine tote from, including the Fendi website. So I love it. I think it's gorgeous. I do. I am very, very, very pleased. This is, I guess we could say this is part of my birthday present from me to me. Yeah, yes it is. All right, so that is all I have for you in this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. If you are interested in purchasing this Sunshine Shopper Tote, make sure you check out either Fendi.com or Fashionphile for the pre-loved website to maybe possibly save you some coins, just depending, you know. Sometimes when you shop pre-loved, they up the price on you, you know, because a sought after item, they know that it's sought after and they will increase the price on you and make you pay. But at least with Fashionphile, I do know that they are so reputable and all their things are authentic. Yes. So I just love this. I love it. I love it. I love it. It's going with me today. Yes, it's going. It's going with me today. Until the next time, stay classy, stay confident. My name is Carmen and I hope to see you, yes you, in the next video. Bye-bye. Have a great weekend. I love it.